Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Bitcoin. Here on the smaller time frame chart, the price still is below resistance. So the day has been slow. Okay, we've seen the same in the stock market. Nasdaq, S&P, they've just moved sideways today. And Bitcoin, yeah, you could say as well. Maybe up a little bit. We had this, let's say, spike when CPI was released, which was rather positive. Inflation lower than generally expected, slightly lower, nothing major. So the market spiked a little bit, moved up, broke briefly above the 50% retracement, but is still way below the 61.8 retracement at 85,474. So we don't really have a solid confirmation that a substantial low has formed. So what do I need to see for that? What do I need to see to be able to confirm really that the fourth wave has bottomed, this larger correction that started a while ago? Yeah. What do we need to confirm that? And for those of you who watched the previous videos, you know already that for me, the third wave target for the third wave, first ideal target for a third wave is the 138% extension that is located at $86,930. So that's the level that the third wave should get to. When we get there, then I think the yellow count will take control. The yellow count will start to lead. That does not mean, though, that it's fully confirmed that the bulls are really taking the price higher. That does not mean that it's confirmed that a fourth wave bottomed. It just means we have slightly shifted probabilities towards the yellow count, which is wave 1, wave 2. Shared that support area with you earlier today, price dipped into it, reacted. But this is all noise, honestly. This is all noise. We could have started the third wave up in the yellow count, but I need to see a break above resistance, 85,474. And then the price needs to get to 86,930. Then we have 3 waves, but I need to wait to see waves 4 and 5 as well, which means wave 5 should get to at least 88,340. Then I've got 5 waves up, and that would be a first solid confirmation that a substantial low is formed. These 5 waves then should be corrected. They should be corrected with a buyable dip. Let's say this would be a wave 1, this would be a wave 2, this would be a so-called buyable dip. Not telling you to buy or anything, but this is 5 waves up, indicate the trend is up. And then the subsequent pullback would be a corrective pullback, should form a higher low, and therefore would be a reasonable buy, for those who are trading a 1-2 setup. But we need that setup first. We need to see it first. So that would be the short-term bullish count. No change to what we discussed previously. I cannot rule out another low, and actually formally the white count would still be my primary count, just because the trend is overall still down. But as I said to you, the low could be in at any point. The market was oversold. We have a bullish divergence on the daily chart I shared with you. Much of the on-chain data I'm tracking in the background that I do share as well on Discord here and there. That is still indicating, or that is indicating that we are in an area where a reversal could happen. But on-chain data and these indicators like, different signals, different on-chain signals, these typically don't call a low, right? They are more like, okay, this is an area where it makes sense to maybe accumulate because a larger rally would be expected. But then you should never use these indicators just by themselves. You have to pay attention to price. And for me, the price chart still shows one more low is likely, but it's not needed. It's not needed. We're just ranging at the moment. We need to see if the price can form these 5 waves up. Then we have clear probabilities for a trend reversal. And if one more low forms, then it takes a break below 78,200 to confirm further that we're going down lower for one more low. And then 75,327 to 72,630, that would be next support. This is pretty much it. This is what we need to be watching for. I shared earlier today on Discord that while the price found a local top here, a wider wave 2 in yellow is possible. But as I said, probability is fairly balanced. And as long as we stay below resistance, there is not really a clear upside reversal signal. It's still quite choppy. So we'll see. This is now, again, prices closing in on the critical 61.8 retracement. This level is relevant because if it's the white count, which is short-term bearish, this fourth wave should not break above the 61.8 retracement. It would be too large for a fourth wave. And therefore, this is a key level. And if we break above it, it's a signal. Yeah, that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in learning more about Elliott Wave and the different price charts and our analysis, then check out the MCO membership. Also, check out our X profile for additional updates, mindset stuff. So that's X, formerly Twitter. You will find a link in the description. Have a great evening, great day, wherever you are. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.